Dorothy with Scrapbooking, and I am going to show you a big workshop kit that I got. It is a close to my heart product, but you can find it under close to my heart products on Stampin Up, and it's called the Secret Garden Scrapbooking Workshop Kit, and that's the Stampin Up label there. Focus, focus. So let me just show you. This is, if you've been listening to me at all, this is going to be the paper that I'm going to use for my son and daughter-in-law's wedding reception that I gave them here at the house. And so, like I said, there's a lot of stuff in here. Okay, first we've got coordinating cardstock from Secret Garden. So you can buy this in pieces, some pieces. So this is the coordinating cardstock. So you've got this diamond pattern design in all these colors. And then on the flip side, let me just flip this over. It's dots. So you've got diamonds, diamonds, and dots. So this can be perfect. Either side can be perfect for backgrounds for pictures, so as to not interfere with your pictures. So let me just set this aside. And then we've got the coordinating cardstock. And so the, let me see, someplace we've got colors. But I think that you could probably use some Stampin' Up colors that, you know, can closely coordinate. This is for close to my heart. It's artichoke espresso, French vanilla, glacier, honey butter, limeade, pink, peach, periwinkle, pine, and sage. So we've got, here's the vanilla, French vanilla, which is, you know, slightly off-white, and sage and peach and periwinkle. And this would be the honey butter. So real pretty cardstocks. Put those aside. And then we've got, here's some placeholders for pictures. This is the Secret Garden paper, if I can gather it all up. Okay, so that's the front and back. So the periwinkle and glacier, probably, and then we've got the yellow and peach tones. Ooh, so pretty. And the glacier and periwinkle. And peach and the honey butter. Such beautiful colors. And then, ooh, gorgeous. So we've got there's the flip side, and there's the flip side. So really beautiful. These look like peonies to me. One of my favorite, absolutely favorite flowers, because my mother grew one that was massive, with massive flowers. Okay, and then you get a sticker sheet that has beautiful, perfect, happy memories, celebrate, smile, take note, good times, happiness, loving this, enjoy these moments, our story. So this is absolutely perfect for a wedding. Other things, but it's going to be perfect for their wedding. So we've got here the scrapbooking workshop for Secret Garden instructions. And you have, oh, I didn't show you this. We have coordinating enamel dots. Perfect. And then we've got thin cuts, or dies, whichever you want to call them. So you can make big, gorgeous flowers with these dies. Well, that felt thick. I thought there were two in here, but it's just a whole bunch of flowers that you stack together to make a dimensional flower like this and buds. So really, really beautiful. But you also have a stamp set that also has dies. So here is this stamp set. There we go. Here's the stamp set. Happy, 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 love, memories, it's a beautiful life, with more flowers and leaves to stamp. And here are the coordinating thin cuts for these flowers. So you can see that this one goes with this flower, this one goes with this. So you don't have to do fussy cutting. You've got the thin cuts to go with the stamp set. So that's perfect, along with, you know, making your own flowers that you don't have to stamp. So there's going to be, I'm going to be busy with this, and I'll be making videos of these pages as I go along. Okay, so let me put these cardstock aside and go back to, oh, let's see. So this is the reference of what goes with what, and a picture of what the, oh, it's because I ripped it off, silly goose. Ripped it off the front page here of the instructions. So here we've got cutting instructions. Let me come down just a little bit and get the busyness of this. Put that aside. So we've got the cutting instructions for the pages here. And it says here, if there's a little star, a little asterisk next to the number, then you're using the back side. Now you can obviously use the back side if you want to for any of the cuts that you make. So here we've got easy, very easy cutting instructions and very easy cuts, nothing super complicated. And then we've got some more cuts here with all the papers that you use so you get the look that you want. And down here under the Sage cardstock, you've got where you use those dies for the flowers. Okay, and then here's some more dies for the flowers in Honey Butter and Periwinkle and Peach. So this is a workshop kit. So this is no small task here. So we've got a lot of dies. Now you can see that there's no detail. So these are the thin cuts that go with the stamp set. And the others that show more detail are for these thin cuts. you can see all the detail that's in these. So that's for those. The ones that are just open, that's for the stamp set thin cuts. And so here this shows you what the pictures, what the pages will look like. So you've got the background of French vanilla and all the pieces and the suggested pictures that you can put on there to give you some idea. And you've got elements of groupings diagonally from each other. So those are all the flowers. And then page 2, so this is the right page, that was the left page. So you see how that layout goes. So very simple instructions. It shows you exactly 1.5 inches over from the right and 3.25 inches up from the bottom, how much in between, 1/8 of an inch goes in between the strips. So very easy to follow instructions. And here is the project 2. So we've got the dotted pattern showing and the diamond pattern behind the dotted pattern of the honey butter with all of the layout instructions. And look at how beautiful that is. So we've got, 3 pictures going across with some fun flower elements down below with the thin cuts used. And then we have a really beautiful layout using the groupings, flower groupings. Clearly, this is a floral display. Now I did have a customer that couldn't stand florals. Personally, I love flowers. But and here is the third. So this is giving you 3 projects, 6 pages to lay out. Now I will be doing all of this cardstock can handle a lot more pages than that. And I will be doing a bunch more pages than that. So you'll see it as I go along. So now first project at hand is kind of putting pictures with the color pages and kind of getting a layout, an idea of which of the pictures that were taken are going to go on what kind of layout. So I will be doing a lot of planning before I do my cutting, and I like to I've always liked to go to the Facebook page of the Creative Scrapbooker, and every month they have a sketch to do, and you can add 2 pages to it, but they're usually just single pages, and it's a great place to get ideas of how to make layouts, and it'll give you ideas on what kind of layouts to make. So anyway, I will be probably going to that and some other books that I have to show scrapbook page layouts. And the other thing it does come with, not some people don't particularly care for using them, but they're the placeholders for 3x4 and 4x6 pictures. You don't have to use these, but they came with the kit. So anyway, like I said, this is on Stampin' Up, and it's under Close to My Heart, and it is called the Secret Garden Workshop Kit. So I hope you join me, and if you want to make some scrapbook pages, I will be showing you all the pages and pictures of my son and my beautiful daughter-in-law. Hopefully soon. So thanks for watching, and take care. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to me. Thank you. Bye now. Hi, this is Dorothy with Scrapbooking. Thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe and learn along with me. Thank you. Bye-bye.